getting near the end, guys.
We're getting near
crazy.
Crazy, because that means that Christmas is about to be here. Today we're gonna, oh, were you about to say something?
Go ahead.
Today we're gonna show you how to make a DIY gift for a lady.
I mean,
for whoever. But we're going to make some clay earrings that look like this.
they're a good time.
They're a good time. I have a few already made. I have like these green ones. I have these fun multicolored ones and the like terracotta color ones. I also have, I'm not going to show you how to make these guys, but I have just, these are made of clay, these are made of clay. So really the options are endless. And the key to making them look kind of like a professional earring is getting colors that aren't neon and getting like natural colors. Yeah. So I've got this color that I just showed you.
Like kind of like
it's gray. Gray. Yeah, it looks kind of like granite. It's called. Is there a name on it? Oh, here. It's called gray granite. So we
really like these. We prefer these brands of clay, the Sculpey and the Primo. We have used like cheaper kinds and it is kind of a pain to deal with.
Yeah, they still work, but these are our favorites. So
all you're gonna need today is whatever clay you need.
You need some wax paper and a baking sheet and some painter's tape to tape your wax paper down. I've got, let me pull these out. Oh my, no, okay. Here, these are a pack of earring backs and they actually have, no, it's earring, the face part of it and a back.
Like the
and then I bought these bigger backs that have larger surface area instead of the little like, I don't even know, the little loopy ones that are usually terrible. So you'll need that and some super glue. Did you already say
also
that?
need those things.
Oh, right. These are jump rings.
We'll link to all this.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to describe.
It's kind of hard to see, describe. Oh, and oh my gosh, you definitely need some clay, no, some jewelry tools to be able to use these.
Which we don't have on the table. They're back there. And we have like this little tiny rolling pin. That's for
the
clay.
And like a little cutting thing for
this
clay.
is for clay, but yeah, you don't have, you can use a knife.
You could use a knife, X-Acto knife, whatever. And then these are our little clay tools. Okay.
I'm gonna do black today.
He's gonna do black. Here's some wax paper. Let's see. So we've got this color. She's gonna do black. I guess I'll do this neutral color.
Per usual, I have never done this before. Savannah has, so.
I have. I made all of these one day just for fun, actually, because
just for fun.
We don't ever really get to craft just for fun. Always ends up on the blog or the YouTube channel. May I have the tape?
That is a really great job.
Our clay has these little notches on it, you can see. I'm just gonna cut one of those off, and that's how much clay I'm gonna use.
I just took some chunks, so we'll see how that works out. Am I gonna roll it out flat?
Ooh, this is very satisfying to use. So, well, what you do is, yes.
I'm going rogue.
She's just going for it. So what you're gonna do, I mean, you can get your clay, get it worked, which mine is not, but we're gonna roll it out into a thin tube.
Oh, a tube.
Mm-hmm.
I see. I do not know where this is. Oh, and you're gonna flatten it.
Mm-hmm. It's actually really easy to make this shape. I love this shape because it's
a little more modern.
It's more modern, yeah.
I feel like it's kind of hard unless you're a professional jewelry maker to make
professional.
Oh my gosh, to make jewelry that doesn't look homemade, you know.
Yeah. So that's what we're going for. Not homemade. Profesh.
Maybe I want big chunkers. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so when you get it rolled out, and make sure it's pretty even. Mine are about, where's that measuring device?
Measuring tape. She always holds in a measuring device.
I'm at about 3/8 of an inch thickness. And so it looks like this.
Mine seems too thick.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut mine in half. It doesn't have to be right in the middle. I mean, that would be ideal, but you can fix it later. And then I'm just gonna line them up together. So the end that I just cut, they're together. So I can cut the other end off and make it exact. Make them exactly the same size. So now you should have 2 things this size. And then you should have 2 little pieces. So I put those together and then I'm gonna cut them in half, like roll it out a little bit, cut it in half so it's exactly the same amount. 2 of the same amount. And then you roll each of these into a ball. So you should have 2 balls, 2 stick things.
The balls are too fat.
Oh, Lord.
I don't do things the way that you do things, but you know, it's fine.
So you're gonna take your little stick and you're just gonna fold it down into this upside down U shape.
They're so short.
Well, you're gonna roll it out. So. And then you put it on your paper. And then we're just going to take the rolling pin and we're gonna roll over that and flatten it out. I'd start with light pressure. Don't go full on at the beginning, just roll it out. Something that looks like this. And then with the little circles you made, you're literally just going to push it down with your thumb and flatten it into a circle. And then you can use the little roller to make it not have your fingerprint in it. At the bottom of your circle, you're going to poke a hole all the way through the back. And then at the top of your upside down U shape, you're gonna poke a hole. And this is where we'll attach the 2 pieces together after you've baked it. And it should look like this. Oh, I don't think you can see that. Now, we have transferred the wax paper and our earrings to the baking sheet. And we're going to put this in the oven at 275 for, you do it 15 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness. And these are about 1/4 of an inch. So they're a little over, so it'll probably be like 17 minutes.
But every clay is a little different, so just make sure you pay attention to your
just read, it'll literally say on the side what you should do. So, but that's what ours says.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. All right, guys, we have our pieces that are baked, and now they are hard.
They're hard.
Okay, what we're going to do is take a jump ring. You actually need a rather large jump ring for this part. I mean, I'm gonna try and see.
These are oval shaped.
Yeah.
I don't know if that super matters.
Yeah. I mean, they just had these, so I got them, but really the bigger the little circle is, the better.
Essentially, just bent this out and made my own mother freaking jump ring.
Okay, so I have connected this one.
I clearly have not, but I'm slow.
So once you have that done, you're going to take one of the earring backs and you're going to super glue it down to the middle of the circle on the back side. Whoa! Too much glue. Heck. Heck-a-moly.
Heck-a-moly.
Okay. Don't put too much on there.
Freaking moly.
Okay. This is what you see, the little thing on the back. When that's, you really want to wait like 10 minutes before you put the actual back on that and put it in your ear. But that's what it looks like.
We won't talk about mine. But this, again, to remind you,
this is what it looks like.
is what it can look like.
Super cute. I'll obviously put a styled photo in here so you can see what's going on. They're super cute. And really you could get like a little cardboard or what is it called? Cardstock. Cut a little cardstock and poke some holes in it and you could put these on there and it'll look really professional. You could even print like gift from Casey on there or something if you're feeling crazy. But that's all you do.
Casey, made by Savannah.
Yeah, if you have some clay, you should try to make some earrings.
But you made your clay ornament, so
Then you probably have it left over. Or you can just make them for yourself.
yeah, that's
We weren't planning on giving any of these away, so cute. Well, that's the conclusion of this video.
That's a wrap.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas.
You know what to do.
Subscribe, thumbs up, and come back tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye.